In this video, I want to talk about how you can replay in TradingView. Now this is pretty simple, guys. What you want to do is go to the super charts and find any chart. Then once you're in here, you want to click on the replay button and you want to select a time frame. So let's say I want to replay from here. I'm going to select this, and then what I can do is I can pretend. So let's say I'm going to press sell, and then I am now in this. So if I go forward, as you can see, it's now gonna drop like this. And you'll be able to see in this time period, I would have made this amount of money if I sold, right? So that is basically how that works. So if I do it, let's say from here, and obviously you can see it went down a lot. So if I replay from here and I make a sell, and I go forward, and you can see it's gonna drop down like we see, and you'll be able to see how it went. So this is a good way to study your trades and see why it happened and stuff like that. So that is how you can replay easily. I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.